heard from others, not yet ready for any adulting or responsibility. Loneliness had its grasp on me. I saw you just about anywhere I was walking, but I didn't really care for any talking. I had always been ashamed to be me, for reasons that injured me thoroughly. But now that it's become scabs, something about you caught my grasp. So since I took the bait, for now, here I'll stay in the rain. Even to your dismay, I'll tag along every day. I've got a lot to say, but for now, it can't wait. Since we started, I wanted to fill my days with you. Is that such a bad thing to do? It really isn't that hard to view. All of it proves my appreciation for you. So, why are you mad at me? You should be flattered, honestly. I'll give some room to breathe, but apparently you hate me. Does it give you a